Have you ever wondered why so many people talk about making money with Amazon KDP, yet never publish even a single book? The surprising part is, writing usually isn't what stops them. Most beginners think publishing a book starts with writing. In reality, that's only one piece of the puzzle. Before you even begin, you have to figure out whether anyone wants the topic. Then comes researching competing books, reading reviews, finding what's missing, creating a cover, formatting everything correctly, choosing keywords, and making sure Amazon accepts your upload. It's easy to underestimate how much work happens before a book ever reaches readers. Imagine someone with a full-time job finally finding time to start a side project. They finish a draft, only to discover there are still several unfamiliar steps standing between them and publishing. That's often where motivation fades. The challenge isn't publishing one book. It's repeating that entire process again if you want to build a real publishing portfolio. The more time each book takes, the harder it becomes to stay consistent. Instead of creating new books, many people end up researching, fixing formatting issues, or switching between different tools. That's why so many promising projects never move beyond the first idea. While looking for a better approach, I came across BookFlipper AI. Instead of focusing only on writing, it's designed to simplify much of the Amazon KDP publishing process by bringing several key publishing tasks into one workflow. What caught my attention is that it starts before the writing even begins. According to its official information, it helps identify potential book opportunities and analyzes existing books before generating a manuscript. It also prepares the finished book for Amazon KDP, reducing the need to manage separate tools for research, formatting, and publishing. The goal is to spend less time on repetitive publishing tasks and more time creating books. If publishing your first Amazon KDP book has always felt more complicated than expected, this is an interesting approach to explore. If you're curious to see how it works, you'll find more information in the description. Link in the description.